And that's what we love about this business, no? Yung built-in legacy program, which means that yung pinagtatrabahuhan natin today, hindi lang siya para sa atin. It can be passed down to our kids. When they reach legal age, we can even build a corporation under their name, giving them a head start in life. Imagine mo yung while yung mga kids or young adults, they're just starting to figure things out. Yung mga kids natin can already inherit a thriving business, one that we've nurtured and built for them. Kaya nandito pa rin kami. That's why we continue to show up, we put effort and we grow this business kasi we wanted to secure our kids' future. Kasi pag magulang ka, 'di ba, gusto mo mabibigay mo talaga yung best life for your kids. And through this
Yes.
business, hindi lang time ang